Nandito na tayo sa Mactan, Cebu. Hello, Mactan! So, this is the hallway of Belmont Mactan. And, hanapin natin yung room ko. Here, so 10:06. Nag-open. So, room ko nga to. Ganda ng view, guys. Kasi this is already the beach view. Hindi nyo lang nakikita kasi gabi, pero antay natin po yung umaga. This is already the beach view. And then right there, yung vacant block na yan, that's where we're going to put our first ever beach ball in the country with a man-made lagoon. Oh, so what's this? Welcome to Belmont. Oh, so creative. Ang ganda kasi parang nasa what do you call that? Parang sa modern na bar. Diba? Parang siyang man cave. Man cave na hotel. Very, very different. Then this one, yung wall na to, you see this wall? Very industrial yung feel niya. Even the choice of yung lighting niya, this fixture, very industrial looking. Okay, so tikman ko na muna ito. Inom muna ng tubig. Wala pa akong tubig simula nung dumating ako sa airport. Pwede na akong model na nature spring. Parang ayokong sirain. Ang ganda. Mangga to ah. Ito ba yung famous Cebu mangoes? Hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner pero nagdi-dessert na ako. Ang cool kasi may love letter pa sila sa akin. Ang nakaslagay dito, Dear Mr. Abato, di ba? Very, very customized. Mabuhay! So on behalf of the entire team, I extend you our warmest welcome to Belmont Hotel Mactan. We are delighted to have you stay with us and experience the Filipino Cebuano hospitality. I like that. The Filipino Cebuano hospitality. Alright. So tara, baba tayo. I-tour natin yung amenities ng Belmont and puntahan natin yung Mactan Al Fresco kung nasaan yung famous Cebu lechon. Let's take that for dinner. Ganda ng elevator ah. Pupuntahan na natin yung amenities ng Belmont Hotel Mactan. First time ko rin makita yung mga amenities niya. So ayun, nakita ko na ang swimming pool. So this is the pool area, no? Ang cute ng pool niya, parang sa Boy Mactan din yung itsura niya. But the beauty of Belmont Mactan, it's directly facing the sea. Kaya ang lamig din nung hangin. Lakas ng hangin dito. Right there, yung nakita nyo, that one, that's already Shangri-La Mactan. Right there. May nakatagong kiddie pool. Piggy pool eh. Kiddie pool, okay? Ang cool lang kasi nung last visit ko dito, around 10 months ago, nung January, during the Sinulog 2023, that time, hindi pa to operational. And right now, you can see the Belmont Hotel Mactan. It's lighted all the way up. And definitely, if you're at the sea area, makikita nyo yung lighted Belmont Mactan. It's so beautiful. So this is the fitness center inside Belmont Hotel Mactan. I'm so excited to try this out tomorrow morning. Mag-gym tayo, promise yun. Mag-gym na tayo this time. Wow, so habang nagte-treadmill, overlooking the pool ka. Nung last year, nung nag-tour ako dito, ang sabi, this is the biggest Zabana bar of Mega World in the Philippines. Ayan, laki nga. Malawak siya. Mas malawak pa siya kaysa sa Twin Lakes Hotel. Ayan, so dito tayo for breakfast bukas. Very Filipino yung design niya, no? Even yung partition na nilagay dito, it's very Filipino. Very nice. Thank you. So, this is our first condotel. It's also a 4-star hotel here in Mactan, New Town, the Savoy Hotel, Mactan. So this is the lobby of Savoy Mactan. Puro red naman yung mga designs niya for Christmas. Napansin nyo ba guys, ang daming mga foreigners dito sa Mactan, New Town. So nag-i-stay sila dyan sa mga condotels natin dito sa Mactan, New Town. And this one, ito yung parati ko sinasabi sa mga sellers natin, our networks, and to our clients who purchase properties here in Mactan, New Town. So, in this township, we are featuring the famous Cebu mangoes. So, these are all mango trees. And once nagbunga yan, maaabot mo lang yung mga bunga in some of the trees like there. The other side, mabababa yung mga puno. And then what I really love about Mactan, New Town, ang lawak ng pathway. Ang lawak-lawak ng pathway, oh. Very well planned ang township natin. So ngayon parang night tour kasi nga first day ko dito sa Mactan, New Town. Kadarating ko lang. In fact, siguro mga 2 hours pa lang. And I wanted to take this opportunity na makita natin yung Mactan Alfresco at night time. First time ko rin pumunta dito ng November to December, kaya ang ganda dahil sobrang daming mga Christmas lights. Nung pagpasok ko pa lang sa taxi doon sa Mactan, New Town during the entrance, kapansin-pansin agad yung Mactan Alfresco. This is our One Pacific Residences. Ang ganda ng lobby, oh. RFO condo na rin natin ito. It's also available for rent-to-own. As well as our One Manchester Place. Also, RFO na rin yung property natin na yan. Also for rent-to-own. So, nakita nyo guys, this one. This is the Plaza Magellan Tower 1. It's a commercial building and we also have the Global Leaders International School. So just like in the Venice or in McKinley Hill rather, there are international schools inside our township. So right here, we also have an international school, the Global Leaders International School. It's preschool and high school. Now later, right there, the Mactan New Town School of Excellence, it's a school operated by LaSalle. Makikita natin katabi ng Mactan Alfresco. O di ba guys, ang baba ng mga puno. Imagine pagka nagbunga na yung mga to, every year nagbubunga yung mga puno dito. As you can see, ang taba ng trunk niya, mababa lang siya. Parati siya tinitrim para we will be able to maintain na mababa lang yung mga mango trees natin dito. Nakakatuwa kasi parang every time you walk through this township, it's like you are in a farm, in a mango farm. Kasi ang daming mga mango trees at ang baba nila lahat. So tomorrow morning, pupunta tayo doon sa site na yon, that area. Ando doon yung site ng newly launched condo project natin. It's an Italian-inspired condominium. It's called Positano. So tomorrow puntahan natin yon. Ayan, so there's a yakiniku buffet dito. Then, chubi-chubi, mga seafood. This is the club blocks. So this is the club inside Mactan, New Town. Now, did you know that MegaWorld is the largest office developer in the Philippines? So later,
there sa area na yan, marami pang office building na makikita natin. And this is the Mactan New Town rather. It is a township with a cyber park. So ito, office building din ito sa 8 New Town Boulevard. Then our Starbucks in Mactan New Town. Last time when I went here nung January, dito rin kami nag-meeting. Then Japanese restaurant. So kanina may Korean restaurant, dito naman meron tayong Japanese restaurant. Then the Robinson's Easy Mart. So dito nag-grocery yung mga tao dito sa loob ng Mactan New Town. May existing na rin tayong grocery area. Baby pa yung mango tree natin. Then right there, these are also the commercial buildings. Papunta na tayo sa entrance area ng Mactan New Town. Ayun, mamaya makita natin yung dolphin. So, in this building, you have the Concentrics. And right here, you have Manulife. And then we already have an existing Watson's Pharmaceutical. Entrance papunta kay Manulife. So, this is another 7-Eleven. This is the first 7-Eleven in Mactan New Town. And then once you go inside, there's another 7-Eleven in one of our commercial building. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating McDonald's. In almost all of the townships of Mega World, meron tayong makitang McDonald's because McDonald's is one of our sister companies. And oh, by the way, that area, that is our showroom here in Mactan New Town. So we have the scale model there and also our model unit. Ayan. Tabihan muna natin si McDo. Hindi, joke lang. Ito, that one, ito na yung entry point ng ating Mactan New Town. And that is the well-known Instagrammable area sa entry point ng Mactan New Town. And that one, right there, that is the Mactan New Town Transport Hub. So, one ride lang going to Cebu IT Park. And that is our Mactan Alfresco, where you get to taste the Cebu lechon every day. Saya. Tapos ayun, makita nyo there's a jeepney, at may sakay-sakay siyang Lechon Cebu. Guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, dito sila naglelechon. Amoy uling pa, parang kakalechon lang ata kanina. So, ang daming pwedeng ilechon dito. Siguro kahit na mag-10 tayo na lechon per batches, kayang-kaya natin gawin yan dito sa Mactan Alfresco. Itong area na to guys, yung vacant lot na ito, dito nila sinaset up yung stage nila every time na may event sila. So dito sila nagpapa-concert. Tapos imagine, you take your order there, pili ka ng lechon mo dyan sa loob, sa Mactan Alfresco, you have the Ayers there, then there's another lechon there. Tapos dalhin mo lang dito sa labas. And then enjoy the music while taking your dinner. Tara, pasok na tayo sa loob. Yan naman guys, dyan kayo pwede mag-ihaw. Sugba, kumbaga. Yung mga isda nyo, mga liempo nyo, pwede nyo iihaw dyan. Wow, lechon pa. Galing kay Lolo Pinoy de Lechon Cebu. Daming pagkain. Super meal. Ito na ang ating Lechon Cebu by Ayers Lechon. Ayers or Ayers? Comment down below kung ano yung proper pronunciation. Ayers ba or Ayers? Ayan, kakain na ako ha. Bye!
To know more on how to invest in the Philippines, please like and subscribe. This is Tim Abanto, your Mega World Realtor PH, bringing world-class Filipino properties to the world.